You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation. Let's break down how to pronounce this name, the name of the principal or director, let's call him, of Scuderia Ferrari. If you want to learn how to pronounce this better and more Formula One vocabulary, stay tuned. French pronunciation, he's French. Frédéric Vasseur. Frédéric Vasseur, you could say in English, Frédéric Vasseur. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.